that are involved in this production come from Goodwood High School, from Bishop's High School, from Roxborough Secondary, and they are all they either wrote the exam this year or are getting ready to write the exam.
Love me, hate me, I don't care. Since you don't pay my bills, I have nothing to fear.
We have been able to run for 25 years, and some of the youth who joined as youth, their children are now performing with us. Members of the Tobago Drama Guild teaching or really doing important roles in culture and on radio and the television. Indeed, you know. And back to teaching the subject in school.